Hello and welcome to the OrCAD X Capture series. This video demonstrates how to use a selection filter and effectively align, distribute the objects in OrCAD X Capture. To fine-tune a selection to specific types of objects in the schematic editor, you can use the selection filter. You can access the selection filter by choosing View, and then Selection Filter, or by right-clicking on the schematic editor and selecting Selection Filter, or by using the Ctrl+I shortcut key. By default, all options in the selection filter are enabled. When using the selection filter, you can click and drag a selection box to select all the types of objects within the box. If you want to select only a specific type of object, you can deselect all options except for the type you want to select, such as Parts, for selecting components. You can also choose multiple objects in the selection filter, such as Parts and Nets. To further control the drag selections, you can adjust the settings in Options, Preferences, and navigate to the Select tab. Here, you can modify the drag settings for the schematic page editor or part and symbol editor. Let's discuss the alignment and distribution of objects. You can access these features by clicking on the corresponding icon in the toolbar. If the toolbar is not visible, you can go to View, Toolbar, and click on Align. The Align toolbar will appear, and you can place it wherever it's most convenient for you. Alternatively, you can access these tools directly from the Edit Align menu option. The Align toolbar provides a quick and easy way to align selected objects horizontally or vertically with reference to other objects. It also offers the option to equally distribute selected objects horizontally or vertically across a schematic page. For example, by selecting objects and clicking on Align Left. The selected objects will move with respect to the leftmost selected object. Similarly, you can use Align Center or Align Right, as shown on screen. You can also select the object and align it to the top, middle, or bottom, as shown on screen. Let's align and distribute the objects vertically. Select an object, then click Align Left to align to leftmost and click Distribute Vertical to distribute vertically with selected objects spaced equally within the virtual selection bounding box. Similarly, select an object, click to align the top, and click to distribute horizontally. To distribute objects within a specified area, navigate to Options, Preferences, click on the More Preferences, Extended Preferences menu. Select Schematic and enable this option. When this is done, the distributed objects will be placed within the specified area. The final option is Toggle Mouse Mode. In this mode, selected objects can be aligned with reference to a mouse click or equally distributed within the area defined by mouse clicks. For example, select the object, align to the left, then choose Mouse Mode, and click on the Distribute Horizontal option. Then, select the start and end points by clicking on the schematic page. The selected objects will now be evenly spaced between the two selected points. The same can be done for vertical alignment. Align to the top, then choose Mouse Mode, and click on the Distribute Vertical option. Then, select the start and end points. Notice that objects will now be evenly spaced between the two selected points. That's all the time we have now for this video. To learn more about the OrCAD X Capture tool, click the link below and enroll for free courses on the Cadence Support portal. Thanks for watching.